would recommend Matt to anybody who's looking for a good legal support for an accident or injury that they have sustained in their vehicle. I was involved in a car accident in January of 2017 where I was hit by somebody who turned in front of me at a green light. I was traveling west going towards my daughter's school, and he turned in front of me through the light. He wasn't paying attention, obviously. So at that time, our front ends hit. I hit him on the passenger side of his car, and since I was going the speed limit, the trajectory pushed me into a light pole. So I hit him, and then I hit a light pole, coming to an abrupt stop. After my follow-up with my own physician, it was determined that I had bruised cartilage in my sternum, which is different from a broken bone just because of the way that it never really heals. Cartilage is something that doesn't heal properly. It was more like a broken nose, or it's not like a bone. It doesn't automatically fix itself. So it would be something that I will have to deal with for quite some time. I think initially I knew that the way that I was being treated by the other person in the accident, their insurance company, it was very hard to deal with them. I'd never been through something like this before, and it seemed like they were being extremely difficult to deal with. Were kind of blowing me off, saying that, there's no way that you could have been hurt this bad, that, this is not something that our insurance is willing to pay. And I thought, you know what, I don't want to have to deal with this sort of nonsense from them. So, I actually talked to my chiropractor who I was seeing at the time, and he deals with a lot of people who've been in accidents. And he said, why don't you just get a lawyer? So that's what I did. And I Googled local attorneys who were able to help with car accident victims, and Matt popped up on there as one of the closest to my home. So I reached out to him initially and, spoke with him and his secretary, and they were very helpful. Their communication was easy. They were quick to get back with me, very professional. So I felt comfortable bringing my case to him. Matt and Carrie were both very helpful. Anytime I had any sort of question or concern or issue with the medical bill that, had been paid or not been paid, they were quick to respond within, hours of me sending an email or calling them up. It was very easy to work with them, scan all my medical documentation, send it over. So, it was a very positive experience. My experience with Matt was very positive. He was very quick to communicate with me. I never had any issues getting a hold of him. It was more often he had issues getting a hold of me because our schedules were definitely conflicting. He was very quick to get back and respond in email and answer any questions that I had involving any of these situations with medical bills or, communicating with the insurance company. It was a very positive experience.